one such rocket scientist who not only progress was stopped, career was destroyed. When on this actual investigation was conducted in 1994, that person was arrested. And in 1996, CBI said there is no proof for 2 years he was beaten and mentally tortured. Then Supreme Court says that he is innocent. Kerala government, they have to give him 50 lakh compensation, and Kerala government was very happy with this result. That not just 50 lakh compensation but a compensation of 1 crore 30 lakh rupees. Have you ever heard before it? If not, then you have no idea about whom we are going to talk about in this video. Nambi Narayan. He is a scientist of ISRO who was leading the cryogenic department. You know that ISRO started after 8 years later of Pakistani Superco, and Pakistan started 8 years before us. But how many satellites has it sent? Only 2 in space, and our ISRO 65. Do you know when Pakistan is going to send next satellite in space? In 2040. And ISRO till then would have sent Mangalyaan again and would land again on the moon, and we are going to reach till Venus. This is our planning for 2040. Our ISRO could be praised as much as because in last 40 years ISRO has incurred expenses. NASA does that every year. And our scientists who are working in ISRO, they are continuously get offers that come and work in NASA, but they are not those who have not got offers of NASA, but who have rejected NASA that for India. We want to work for India. But when these fake allegations for these people, then it's a very sad thing. When Nambi Narayan was leading India's ISRO, he was planning next level technologies. Our deals were happening with Russia, France and Scotland. You know, at that time ISRO was moving forward very fast, but US didn't want that, and other foreign countries didn't want that India is moving forward. India could have moved forward than that of NASA if these fake allegations were not imposed. 2 ladies of Maldives were arrested. Those ladies' name was Maria Rashida and Fozia Hussain. From them, when they were arrested, we got rocket designs which were of ISRO, and they say that these rocket designs were given to us by Nambi Narayan, just this much. But there was plan that our neighboring country Pakistan, they would sell the designs to them, and after that we would get lot of money. So these fake allegations were imposed. Because of these fake allegations, Nambi Narayan was arrested for 50 days and he was in jail, and after 2 years he was beaten. But when the person who bears that he is not able to bear. If you know that Nambi Narayan after fake allegations tried to attempt suicide, but his family supported him. That we have to fight. If we took wrong action, then people will consider us wrong. When we are not wrong, we will fight, and he fought. After that, India government neither told him to be innocent, not just compensation, he was given Padma Bhushan award too. Nambi Narayan is an example of self-made leader, a man who started from zero. When India did not have any money, that parts of the rockets were transported on bicycle, Abdul Kalam said. So when people have started from zero, and today we have landed on moon and Mars, so why not to praise such people, and why not to promote such a great scientist from our India? Let's share this video and support